This little ice cream tray I use for to keep ice in. So there's the ice tray, but it doesn't hold very much. So let me keep ice in there, then I refill it. Give it a rinse out. And the lower drawer of the freezer has this shelf there. Put that in there. So that's a shallow tray. If you push that, then it reveals these deeper trays. And I tend to keep things like pasta and bread in there, in the lower one. In the upper drawer, I keep mainly vegetables, frozen vegetables. In the fridge, we've got the two drawers, milk, if you've got a big thing of milk. Fruit juice is either in the door or in this drawer. This drawer is supposed to stay at 0 degrees centigrade, so it doesn't quite freeze, but that's where you keep all the spare fruit juice and things like crumpets and some bread. These two drawers are supposed to be for fruit and vegetables, but other things get in there. And jam and marmalade on there on the right, chutneys and pickles and things on the left, and then just whatever on the other trays. Okay, so that's a quick tour of the fridge. Oh, these are the temperature controls up there, but it's been getting the fridge has been getting very cold recently. I don't know why. So I've got them set quite high at the moment. I've got them set on the highest temperatures. Okay, when you don't fiddle around with that, some people get confused and they try and push that out. You don't need to do that. It's just best to shut the narrow door first and then the wide door. But, oh, it's that weird noise. If you accidentally leave the fridge open, I won't wait now, but it's after a little while it'll go beep, 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 to tell you that the fridge door is open, and the lights will start flashing on and off. So just make sure you always give that a good press, make sure it's closed, like that. And that's the fridge.